Now we will draw a two variable K map. So two variable K map means the total number of cells in a variable K, two variable K map that is equal to 2 to the power of n, where n is nothing but the number of variables. So in our case, two variable K map means it is going to have two variables. So put n equal to 2. Therefore, total number of cells is nothing but 2 to the power of n, which is equal to 4. Nothing but a two variable K map is going to have four number of cells. So this is the two variable K map. Presently, you can see total number of four cells which are distributed into two rows and two columns. So here I am representing the two variables are capital A and capital B. So the variable capital A I am taking along rows, and while the variable B that is representing columns. Okay. So first you write here B bar, then B, nothing but the value of first column is B bar, the value of second column is B. Similarly, the value of this first row is A bar, then second one is nothing but A. So here put the numbers 0, here 1. Okay. So row number 1, column number 2 cell 1, row number 2, column number 1, that is 2, row number 2, column number 2, that is 3. So you have to write these 0, 1, 2, 3 values in binary format. So I'm going to write 0 uh, in binary. So 0 can be written as a 0 and 0. Okay, 1 is nothing but you can write 1 as a 0, 1, because I'm going to write the digital binary equivalent of these numerical value by using two variable positions. So 2 can be written as 1, 0. Similarly, 3 can be written as 1, 1. So here I have written the values 0, 1, 2, 3 in binary format, just only up to two variables, nothing but I have taken two positions only. Okay. So one more thing here, 0 is used to represent the complementary of variable, and 1 is used to represent the variable. So, okay. So here you can see, so this is nothing but 0, row number 1, column number 1, row number 1, column number 2. Okay, both are going to have 0. Okay, so this 0 is nothing but the row value a bar, because 0 is used to represent the complement of the variable. Therefore, both the cells of row number 1 are going to have a same 0. That's why they have the common symbol a bar. Similarly, if you see row number 2, so cell number 3, 1, okay, cell number 4, it is also going to have the same symbol, binary symbol 1, 1. So 1 is used to represent this variable A. So that's why here A is common, because both the cells are going to have same symbol. So write A, and here also A. So we have written the first digit of each cell, uh, nothing but which is corresponding to row. Similarly, if you see column number 1, row number 1, row number 2, column number 1, row number 1, row number 2, both are going to have the same symbol 0. So those are used to represent the complement of B variable. So that is nothing but, okay, the second symbol is nothing but, second value is nothing but B bar. Similarly, if you see column number 2, row number 1 and row number 2, both are going to have the same digit, that is 1, 1. So 1 is used to represent the variable. So here the variable column is nothing but B. Therefore here you have to write B, here also you have to write B. Now I am going to remove these numbers and their corresponding binary. So this is nothing but a two variable K map. Now we will draw a three variable K map. So total number of variables are 3. Therefore, it requires 2 to the power of n number of cells. That means 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 3 equal to 8. That means the K map, three variable K map is going to have 8 number of cells which are distributed into uh, rows and columns. Now I'm going to draw. Now on the screen you can see a K map with 8 number of cells which are distributed into 2 rows. So row number 1, this is row number 1. Row number 1 has 4 cells. Row number 2 is also going to have 4 number of cells. So this is column number 1, 2 cells, column number 2, 2 cells, column number 3, column number 4, total number of 8 cells. So here I am representing those variables are A, B, C, total number of 3 variables. So first write the values. So here 0, then here write 1, then here 2, then it is 3, so here 4, 5, then here 6, now this is 7. Now fill each cell with the binary equivalent of these values, and you have to write the binary as a combination of 3 variables only. So 0 can be written as 000, while 1 can be written as 001, 2 can be written as 010, 3 can be written as 011, 4 is nothing but 100, 5 is nothing but 101, 6 is nothing but 110, 7 is nothing but all ones, nothing but 3 ones. So again you have to remember, so 0 is used to represent the complement of the variable, and 1 is used to represent just only the variable. So here I am starting with row number 1. So this is nothing but row number 1. So in row number 1, every cell is going to have a 0. Here you can see 0. So here also 0, here also 0, here also 0. The 4 cells of 4 columns corresponding to row number 1 are going to have a 0 as common. Okay, but rows are assigned for a variable. So here A0 means it is the complement of the variable, therefore here it is nothing but a bar. Okay, so here I am going to write a bar. The first column is used to represent a bar. Similarly, if I go for the second row, so first bit here you can see this is nothing but 1, column number 2 1, column number 3 1, column number 4 1. Nothing but every cell of row number 2 is going to have the common logic one. So 1 is used to represent the variable a only. So that's why here I am writing a. Now go for column number 0. So this is nothing but column number 1. This is column number 1. So in column number 1, the remaining 2 variables are representing the variables, the remaining 2 digits. The remaining 2 digits are representing the variables b and c. So here b equal to 0, c equal to 0 means the corresponding, here you have to write b equal to 0, c equal to 0 means 0 is used to represent the complement of the variable. So you have to write here b bar c bar. Okay, so here it is b bar and c bar. Similarly, go for column number 2. So here you can see 0 1, here also 0 1. Okay, every cell of column number 2 is going to have 0 1. So 0 1 means those are the values of variables b and c. So this 0 is representing complement of b. Okay, so here this 0 is representing b variable, the value of b variable, which is nothing but 0 means the complement of b, nothing but b bar. While the next is, so this is 1, this is 1. So 1 is used to represent the next variable, that is c, just only. Similarly, if I go for column number 3, so here 2 positions, nothing but 1 1. So here also 1 1. So this one is used to represent b, while this one is used to represent c. So both the cells of both the cells of column number 3 are going to have 1 1, Therefore 1 means variable value, so B just only C. Okay, then the final column, so that is fourth column. Here 1 0, here also 1 0. So 1 0 means this is the value of a B variable and this is the value of a C variable. Okay, so 0 means the complement of the variable. So here you have to write B C bar. Okay, just wait. So this is B C bar. Mm, okay, so in row number 1, so every cell is going to have a 0. So every cell 0 means every cell is going to have the variable, the complement of the variable a bar. Therefore fill with the a bar in every cell of row number 1. Similarly in row number 2, so here you can see row number 2, first cell, second cell, all the 4 cells are going to have a common logic 1. So that is nothing but in every cell you write a a a. Okay, then going for column number 0, so every cell of column, column number 1, so every cell of column number 1 is going to have a double 0. So those are the values of variables B and C. So 0 means complement of the variable. Therefore so this is nothing but, okay, every cell of column number 1 you have to write B bar C bar. Just wait. Okay, similarly here you can see uh, 0 1, nothing but B bar C bar. Then here also we have BC. Then here the fourth column, every cell should have BC bar. Now I'm going to remove these numerical values which are in decimal as well as in binary. So here I have forgotten to write BC. So this is a 3 variable K-map. Now we will draw a 4 variable K-map. So total number of cells the K-map will have equal to 2 to the power of n. So where n is nothing but the number of variables. So for K variable, for 4 variable K-map, so n equal to 4. So 2 to the power of 4 means 16. Nothing but a 4 variable K-map is going to require 16 number of cells which should be divided into or distributed into 4 rows and 4 columns. Total number of 16 cells. So presently on screen you can see the diagram is going to have a total number of 16 cells, so which are distributed into 4 rows and 4 columns. So here I am selecting the variables are as A, B and CD. So A, B two variables are going to represent the rows. So 4 rows. So this is nothing but the first row, second row, third row, fourth row. So these are the 4 rows which are going to be represented by AB. Similarly, the columns. So first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So these four columns are the information about these four columns will be represented by CD. So put 0 here. Then next one 1. So that is row number 1, column 2. Then row number 1, column 3. So here directly go to row number 1, column number 4. So 0, 1. Now put here 2. Then here 3. Then go for row number 2, column number 1. So after 3 we have 4. So 5. Then here write 6. Okay, row number 2, column number 4. Write 6. Then 7. So instead of going for row number 3, directly go for row number 4. So after 7, you will be having 8. So row number 4, column number 1 will be 8. Okay. The next one is nothing but 9. Then directly go for the last corner cell. So here write 10. Then here write 11. Now go for row number 3. So 12. We have 13. Then here 14. Then 15. Then the next step is you have to write all these numbers in terms of binary. Okay, in terms of binary, 4 variables A, B, C, D. So 0 can be written as 00, 00. Okay, 1 can be written as 00, 01. Then 2 can be written as 00, 10. Then 3 can be written as 00, 11. 4 is nothing but 01, 00. 5, 0101. Then 6 is nothing but 0110. 7, 011, 1 again. Then go for 8, nothing but 100. 9 you can write 9 as 1001. Then 10 is nothing but 1010. Okay, 11 is nothing but you can write 11, 1011. Then you have 12, 1100. Okay, 13 is nothing but 1101. Then 14 is nothing but 1110. So 15 is nothing but all ones. So in this way you have to write, or you have to fill these cells with their corresponding binary equivalent. Okay, then again here 0. Okay, the digital symbol 0 is used to represent the complement of a variable, while 1 is used to represent just only the variable. Okay, so here you can see these are nothing but, if I go for row number 1, okay, row number 1, so this is nothing but row number 1. So this is nothing but row number 1. So in row number 1, column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, and column number 4. These two bits are common, 0000, 0000. So 0 is used to represent the complement. So along rows we are taking the variables AB. That means these two zeros are representing the complement of A and complement of B. That's why here I am writing the complement of A and complement of B. Okay. So here, so this is complement of A. Okay. Similarly, if I go for row number 2, so row number 2, column number 1. Okay, so here this is nothing but row number 2. So column number 1, 01, column number 2, 01, column number 3, 01, column number 4 also 01. So that means here the corresponding row values are 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 means, so complement of A, okay, and this is B, because here the first 0 is going to represent the position of A. So 0 means complement of A. That's why I have written complement of A. The second bit is here 1, here also 1, here also 1. So here also 1. The second bit is nothing but B. The variable is B. Okay, then go for row number 3. So in row number 3 you can see the 2 bits, so this is nothing but row number 3. So here the 2 bits are set equal to 1. Okay, column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4. So all the columns of row number 3 are going to have 1 1. Therefore the corresponding values of a row, this row, are nothing but 1 1. So 1 is used to represent the variable. Therefore here you have to write a and b. Similarly, if you go for the fourth column, so here you can see the fourth row, the column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4, all the cells of row number 4 are going to have 1 0. So 1 0. So 1 is used to represent the variable a, while b is used to represent the complement of the variable b. So here, okay. Similarly, if I go for column number 1, okay. So column number 1, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. So in column number 1, all the cells of 4 rows are going to have a 0 0 0 0. Here also 0 0 0 0. So that means this column 1 is going to represent C bar D bar. Okay, so this is nothing but C bar D bar. So here I am going to write C bar and D bar. Similarly, go for second column. So this is nothing but second column. So in second column, the remaining 2 bits you can see 0 1 here. Okay, 0 1 0 1 0 1. That means all the cells of row number 1, all the cells of column number 1 are going to have 0 1 as common. So 0 is nothing but the complement of C variable. So the first position is nothing but C. Okay, and 1 is used to represent the variable only. Therefore, the second column, each cell of second column, the remaining 2 bits are represented by C bar and D. Similarly, if you go for third column, so third column, this is nothing but third column. So in third column, here row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. That means all the 4 cells of column number 3 which are distributed into 4 rows, those are having 1 1. So 1 is used to represent the variable. Therefore it is C and D. Okay. Then we have the fourth one. So fourth column. So row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. So all the cells of column 4 which are distributed into 4 rows, those are having 1 and 0. So here logic 1 is used to represent C variable, while 0 is representing the complement of another variable D. Okay, that means the fourth one is CD bar. Okay, so here you can see row number 1, 0 0 is common, 0 0 0 0 0 0. That means it is equivalent to A bar B bar. Therefore, first of all, write A bar B bar in every cell of row number 1. Similarly, in the second row, the first cell 0 1, second cell 0 1, third cell 0 1, fourth cell 0 1. So 0 is nothing but complement of variable A bar. Next one is nothing but variable B. Therefore, so 0 1 is common for all cells in row number 2. Therefore, write A bar B in every cell of row number 2. Similarly, if you go for row number 3, so 1 1 here, 1 1 here, 1 1 1 1. Nothing but all the 4 cells of row number 3 are going to have 1 1. So 1 1 is used to represent A and B. Therefore, in every cell of row number 3, write AB. Similarly, go for the last fourth row. So here you can see 1 0, here also 1 0, so 1 0, 1 0. So 1 0 is common. So 1 is used to represent A, while 0 is used to represent this B bar. Therefore, write in every cell of row number 4 with AB bar. Now we will move to columns. So here 2 0, column number 1, double 0, column number 1, double 0, double 0. So every cell of column number 1 is going to have 0 and 0. So these two zeros are representing the complement of variable CD. Therefore, write in every cell of column number 1 with C bar, D bar. So, right. Similarly, if you see the second column, so here 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1. Nothing but every cell of second column is going to have a 0 and 1. So where this C, nothing but this 0 is representing C bar and 1 is representing this D. Therefore, write this C bar D, column number 2. Similarly, if you go for column number 3, so in column number 3 you can see row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. So all the cells of column number 3 are having 1 1. So 1 is used to represent a C and the next one is nothing but D. So fill the every cell of column number 3 with the CD. Similarly, if you go for fourth column, so here you can see fourth column row number 1 1 0, fourth column row number 2 1 0, row number 3 1 0, row number 4 1 0. Nothing but every cell of 4 is going to have a 1 0. So 1 is nothing but the value of C and 0 is nothing but the complement of other variable D. Therefore, fill the every cell of column number 4 with C D bar. Okay. Now I am going to remove these numerical values which are in decimal as well as binary. So this is nothing but a 4 variable K map.